Good day, people. In this video, we are featuring Sashana Gapeteaser, a social media superstar based in Jamaica. But before we start the video, I would like to thank those who already subscribed to this channel. It's really appreciative to all you guys. You're the best. Sashana is doing live prank calls with her fans, getting them excited. She asked her fans to follow her if they have no gifts to give her. She's just looking oh so beautiful, sitting there looking so nice. She asked them to send numbers of persons they would like for the prank to work. But no one follows, and she paused for a moment. She just sit quietly anticipating everyone's messages. Well, but people, tell me, people, is this a good way to do a prank? Watch the video and tell me. Okay?
I see who they text me one prank call number. I just call him. Guys, make sure you follow me. Please to follow. Since you don't send a gift, follow me. I prank call somebody. Alright, somebody send me the number here. I call the number here. Somebody send me the number and I call. Tap up the live, guys. Make sure to follow. Guys, somebody send me a number in my inbox right now. Tell me who is the number for and who is the person to you. Come on, guys. 5 person right now. Make sure now follow me. Follow. Make sure now. Why not follow me? Why is 300 people over here not follow me? I now make the call to no follow. Thank you. Guys, click the follow button. Y'all ain't following.